The goal of this video is to show you how to use the front end of Orchid when you are implementing the Orchid system. So once you log into Orchid, you will be seeing your tasks. They are listed here. You get to them by clicking on My Tasks if they're not shown. My matches will not be used in this example. Account and account profile, this is where you're going to set your photo. There's instructions on that. And you will not be doing anything with my profile. My team, that's kind of helpful. That's where you've got your folks, right? And you can send me an email straight from here. That said, know that of course you can send me an email through regular channels. From there you have my documents in case there's anything that we want to be sharing. So look at this. We have the documents that I'm sharing with you about the logo and the favicon. Then we have contact support. Of course, your first response should be to reach out to me. But know that for your instance, when you're working with your clients, it will go to whatever email address you specify. Okay, so back to my tasks. So what you're going to see here is your two tasks where you have the front end and the back end. On the front end, here's what we have. Mission 1, completing your user profile. So here are the instructions and here's a document, task documents. So you'll see those right here, right? That gives you the instructions on how to add your profile picture to the portal, okay? From there, let's say we did that, which actually we have. It's already there. You click your task to mark it as done, right? Now this one you actually submit for approval so that I can take a look at it and make sure, yeah, that's an appropriate picture. That's an example of how you can control that with your clients, right? Your GCs, your EDs. From there, mission 2. Okay, let's see what that's going on there. Oh, okay, I can review the setup instructions, just helpful information. Again, I click that, there's all of the information. Now, bear with us. We are in beta, as you know. So sometimes this is not the most up-to-date document, but we are trying our best to keep it up-to-date. Okay, so once you've kind of reviewed that, you might have some questions that came about from that, but know that you just marked that done. Now, I cannot move forward yet because the administrator has not reviewed that. So let me go ahead and review that. Back with you in a jiff. So here I am in the back end, all right? And I can see here the photo that was uploaded, right? Because I am on the contact card for that person, which is actually me. I see here my tasks lists that are assigned to this contact. I see my tasks as well as their tasks. So my tasks I've mostly marked as already complete, just for demonstration purposes. And this is an example of how, yeah, I'd go ahead and be like, yep, you know what, that looks fantastic. I'm approving that. So now, when you go back into the front end, that should be approved. So let's take a look at that. So here I am, I'm back in the front end. Nothing has changed, but I'm going to hit the refresh button. Whoa, look what happened here. Okay, so these tasks are now done. And now I'm on my tasks, my other tasks. And we thought it would be fun to call them missions. So they're missions. This is Mission Possible, right? And the next task and that information is here. Pretty much you go through and do it like that. We will be having weekly meetings and conversations. Of course, we can talk more often than that, email more often than that, all of that. But this kind of gives you the roadmap through the task portal, right? so that you can kind of see where we're at and track things, and mark them as done. You can go into any of them, take a look at the directions, get the directions. Maybe it's submit for approval. So this is personalizing Orchid. So again, I would probably want to review that, right? But inquiry forms, right? This is just a submit because that's all that needs to be done. Submit once you've done it. It's a nice way for you to keep track of where we're at and where we're going. Okay, and all the way to mission 20 of Go Live. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your implementation specialist.